Hello everyone, in this video I will show you that how can you enable high contrast in Windows 10. So you have to open settings. Now go to this option. Here on left side you will get option of high contrast. Click on that option. Here you have to turn on this option. Now you can see the high contrast is turned on. Everything is now in high contrast. I can change its theme from black to white. And this is how you can enable high contrast in Windows 10. And if you want to disable it, go to settings again. Now go to this option, go to high contrast and turn it off. Now the high contrast is turned off, and this is how you can enable or disable high contrast in Windows 10. Thank you everyone.